guys. I don't know why. Like, I do like my videos twice a week. I feel like it's not enough though. Like, maybe it's because I don't do CVS no more. Because I did CVS twice a week and then I did Walmart twice a week. So I was here for you guys 4 days a week. But maybe I should do a chit chat video for you guys. If you guys have any topics you want me to go over, definitely drop them in the comments, and I'll try to work on a chit chat, sit down, chill type of video for you guys probably this weekend. This is my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Now, I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I needed like 18 rebates for $5. I was just like, look, Ibotta, look, girl, it's just not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. But then this morning they hit us with a stackable bonus, and it's called the Blizzard something. It's called the Blizzard Bucks bonus, and for that I only need like 18 rebates for $7. Now normally Ibotta, I don't know, normally they give me like a gazillion, but they only gave me 18 this time for 7, so I'm cool with that. So I was like, okay, girl, okay, we could probably make something work. So that is the goal, $12 for 18 offers. Now, it was a struggle coming up with the offers. I ain't even gonna lie, it was a struggle. And in fact, I didn't even come up with all of them. I only need to have 17. And so I'm gonna have to rely on a Walmart gift card for the 18th offer. That's granted that they have everything I need in stock. So hopefully everything works out. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here, definitely make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never ever miss out on a video. I always stutter on that part. And so other than that, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got this week, definitely keep on watching. All right, guys, so this first deal I'm gonna do is it's a deal that I saw on Instagram. I'll post up the person who I saw post it. It's on the DiGiorno. There's a deal right now where when you spend 10, you'll get back a $10 gift card. I'm not really sure how the gift card is yet because I haven't did it yet. And so I'm gonna grab the DiGiorno Rising Crust at $6.96, and I'm also gonna grab the which one? The Detroit one right here, priced at $7.88. Those are gonna come to $14.84, getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also the $10 Fanatic gift card, and then there's an offer for $1 on Fetch as well as $1.50. So getting back $2.50 there will make them only 17 cents each. All right, so next up I'm gonna add the Gerber food. One of you guys left a comment for me saying that you can stack the Gerber coupons, which I just got another one. And so I'm gonna do 10 of these and stack 2 of the coupons. So I'm gonna add that with the pizza. We're gonna be grabbing the corn one right here. Make sure you check the list for the Nestle rebate to see which ones qualify. But I know that the corn one here does. I know the apples do, and I believe the carrots do as well. All right, so I'm gonna grab the cheapest one. We're gonna grab a total of 10 of these at $113. So the total for everything here is gonna come to $26.14. I'm gonna use 2 of the $5 Gerber reward coupons at checkout, which will bring the total down to $16.14 out of pocket. And then we'll get back $1 for each pizza on Ibotta. There's also the $10 Fanatic gift card as well for the pizza, $2.50 on Fetch for the pizza. There's also the $10 Nestle gift card as well, and then $1.50 for the Gerber for Walmart Cash. If you haven't did that offer on Ibotta, it's still there, but I already did that one, so all I have left is Walmart Cash. It's gonna make everything you see here free plus a $9.86 in Moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Skinny Girl salad dressing. They are priced at $2.62. So for this, you want to grab 2 of them. You want to pay $5.24 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Box are ta-da. And then last but not least, 56 cents for each on checkout 51, which is $112. So it makes them only 6 cents each. Of course, you can max it out and grab 4 on receipt. And so yeah, definitely not a bad deal. Next up is the Taco Bell seasonings. They are priced at 82 cents. So for this, I have a bonus on Ibotta for 50 cents when I buy one more. So I could just grab one at 82 cents. I'll get back the 50-cent bonus plus 10 cents for the seasoning, and then 25 cents on inbox dollars. It'll make it a 3-cent moneymaker. The other option would be to grab 2 of them. I'd pay $164. I would get back 70 cents on Ibotta and 75 cents on inbox dollars. it would then make them only like 9 cents each. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab 2. Next up is the Cheetos mac and cheese, priced at $1.12, getting back 30 cents on Ibotta, brings that down to 82 cents. Alright, so this next deal is on the nut pods. It's priced at $5.24. I saw Sister Saving You Cents post this on Instagram, and I had a hard time finding this. I don't know why. I thought it was on the shelf with the regular creamer, well, the non-dairy creamer. Anyways, it's priced at $5.24. You're gonna get back 50 cents on Ibotta, and then there's also a manufacturer offer as well when you submit your receipt, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is the Oikos Triple Zero yogurt, priced at $1.18. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta makes it only 68 cents. Okay, I'm gonna be grabbing the Pillsbury biscuits again, priced at $1.68. You wanna grab 2 of them. The total is gonna come to $3.36, and then you're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on the other apps as well, making them only 68 cents each. All right, next up is going to be on the wet cat food. The cheapest ones I can find are 64 cents for the special kitty. So we're gonna grab 1 of them, getting back 10 cents on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 54 cents. I'm also gonna be grabbing the Purina Beneful Incredible Bites. It's priced at $1.28, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta makes it only 78 cents. Next up is the Lysol laundry sanitizer. It's priced at $6.97, grabbing 1, getting back $1 on Ibotta, 3 on Alexa, making that $2.97. Right, so I'm gonna do this. It's a gift card deal. Spend 20 on Neutrogena and get back a $5 gift card. I believe it's Fandango. And so I'm gonna grab the Clean Pour, priced at $6.77. Getting back $4 on ShopMium and $4 on Inbox. The next thing I'm going to grab is the Neutrogena. It's on the Hydro Boost Night Press Serum. It's shelf price for $19.97. I'm going to be price matching the online price, which is cheaper. It's $14.50. So both items are going to come to $21.27. You'll get back that $5 gift card for spending $20 on Neutrogena. You're also going to get back $5 for the Hydro Boost on Ibotta. There's also $5 on ShopMium, Alexa, and then for the Clean Pour, $4 back on ShopMium, also across the board. It's going to basically make both products free plus a $6.73 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Optic White Renewal. Looks like mine's finally went down. It's priced at $6.75. I'm getting back $4 on Ibotta as well as $4 on Inbox dollars, making that $1.25 moneymaker. I'm going to be grabbing the Colgate Max Fresh up here as well, priced at $3.12. Getting back $2 on Ibotta and $2 on Inbox dollars, making that an 88-cent moneymaker. Of course, we're going to be grabbing the Colgate Kids toothbrushes again, priced at $5.23. I was hoping I was going to find some on clearance, but no, not today. All right, grabbing 1, getting back $2 on Ibotta, $2 on Inbox dollars, making that $1.23. All right, so I was hoping I was going to find some Axe on clearance, but not today. And so I'm going to grab 2 of these, priced at $5.22. The total is going to come to $10.44, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta, and then there's also $4 on Inbox dollars. It'll bring them down to $1.22 each. Same deal on the Axe body wash. These are priced at the same price, $5.22, getting back $4 on Ibotta, and then getting back $4 on Tada. Would make these $1.22 each as well. Okay, the last thing that I'm gonna grab is gonna be the Children's Allegra. One of you guys hit me up in the comments to let me know about this deal, so big shout out to you. Now, I'm gonna be grabbing this one here. The berry one is priced at $3.84. This one here is not scanning for me. The grape is not scanning for me on ShopMium, so I'm gonna grab this one here. Again, priced at $11.84. You'll get back $4 on Ibotta. And then there's $5 on ShopMium. It's also across the board as well, bringing that down to a $2.72 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. I want to say everything went good, but there was some hiccups. For starters, with the DiGiorno, my offer, because I didn't read it, was $1 back when you buy 2 of the Rising Crust ones, which I only bought 1. So I kind of lost out on $1 there. And then as far as Fed Reward, it's $1.50 when you buy this one here, and then $1 back when you spend $15 on 2 separate offers for each of these. So I'm halfway there on both of those. So I just got back $1.50 on that. Other than that, I guess that deal was okay. I'll include our pop-up, a breakdown that you can do that would work better for that deal, buying 2 of these instead. And it's still a nice little matey. I'm shine, matey. Money maker either way it goes. I still made money off of it, but I didn't make as much as I would have liked to. But free is free. Free is for me. Money maker is even more so for me. And so that's what happened with that. With the Gerber. So I was scanning my coupons or whatever. And the first one I scanned, but when I was going to scan the second one, the app wasn't working. So I only used 1 of them. So I'm thinking I would probably have to take back 5 of them and just repurchase them just to use the other coupon. And then the other thing is I didn't get back the $1.50 on Walmart cash either. And so I'm not sure if I got qualifying ones. Originally, I was going to get a different one, and then I switched it once I got to the store. And so I might have to switch to 5 different ones altogether just to, make that deal like right in my head. Otherwise, I'm paying an extra $6.50 basically, which I don't want to do. And so I'm probably going to do that to make it right. I'm going to donate those anyways, but that was how that deal worked out. For the Neutrogena, I was able to price match it for $14.50, which was cool because shelf price was like $19 gazillion. And so that was good on that. I did 3 different transactions. I'll try to pop up pictures of my receipts. I don't normally show receipts because I always have a book. I have like a book of receipts. I do transactions based on where I'm submitting to. So if I know I got to submit some offers to Alexa and then some to ShopMe, it's going to be on separate receipts. If I have to submit different receipts between inbox dollars and let's say ta-da, it's going to be on separate receipts. And so that's why I usually have, multiple receipts, but today I only had 3. Everything else worked out pretty good. Everything went through on inbox dollars. I did mostly inbox dollars. I only did a couple offers for ta-da, but everything went straight through. Nothing is pending. Did have to get a gift card, which I expected. But I was short an extra offer because of the journal deal, but there was a frozen entree that attached, so it made it perfect, so I didn't have to try to run out and think of another deal. And I didn't have enough in my Ibotta account or whatever to get 2 gift cards. I only had enough for 1. All right, so I have to do this in a voiceover, and you're gonna hear Josiah in the background for sure because he's being his little human self. All right, so everything you see here retails $131.42. Minus the $10 in Gerber. Hopefully, if I fix everything, the out-of-pocket is $121.42. And then I walk away with a total of $43.20 for my Ibotta. $29.75 from inbox dollars. ShopMe was $14. Tada was $8. Alexa was $4. Checkout 51 was $2.24. And Fetch Reward was $1.50. And then Walmart cash should be $1.50. And we have the Nestle rebate for $10, which I already got. The Fanatic one I'm still waiting for. Those both for $10. Neutrogena was $5. I already got that. And then the Nut Pot was $5.24, which I'm still waiting for. So the total was $134.43 in rebates, making everything you see here free plus a $13 and 1 cent moneymaker. Other than that, if you got to the end of the video, I want to see some peace emojis in the comments if you got to the end of the video. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.